In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check old messages on Instagram. We'll use Instagram's built-in export tool so you can review your past conversations in a clean, readable format. This is especially helpful if you need a specific chat from a while back or want a searchable copy outside the app. Start by opening the Instagram app and going to your account. From your home screen, tap your profile icon at the bottom right to open your profile page. In the top right corner, tap the three-line menu to open the settings menu. From there, go to Account Center, which manages settings shared across your Instagram and connected Meta accounts. Inside Account Center, look for the section called Your Information and Permissions. Here, select Export Your Information. You'll see an option to create export. Tap that to begin. When asked where to send the data, choose Export to Device so you can download it directly to your phone or computer later. Next, tap the customization options so you can control what's included. Clear all selections, accept messages, then save. This keeps the export focused and much smaller, which speeds things up. After that, choose your date range. If you only need older conversations from a specific period, pick that window and save. If you're unsure, you can export a broader range, but keep in mind, larger exports can take longer. For the format, choose HTML and save. HTML is easy to open in any web browser and is very readable, which makes finding specific messages simpler. Now tap Start Export. At this point, you may be asked to verify your account before the export begins. Just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it's you. Instagram will now prepare your export. This can take a little time depending on how many messages you have and the date range you selected. You'll get a notification when it's ready. Once available, download the export to your device. Inside the download, you'll find your messages organized and an HTML file you can open in your browser to view your conversations clearly. A quick tip: once it's open, use your browser's Find tool to search names or keywords to jump straight to the chat you need. And that's it. You've just learned how to check old messages on Instagram by exporting only what you need in a format that's easy to browse and search. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.